Deb here with Art and Grace. Let's refill our butane torch for use with our resin art. This is going to get rid of bubbles the very best way, so it's what I prefer. You're going to be sure that your little torch is turned to the off position. So take that little dial, be sure that it's on off. Then you can turn it upside down. You'll see the little hole, and that's where you place your butane. It's going to sound like it's filling up with air. It is filling up with gas, and it will start sputtering. You might even see a little bit of a leakage if you filled it a little too much. Just wipe that clean. Now, butane is flammable, so don't do near any kind of flame. Don't smoke, those kind of things. It's best to do outside or in a well-ventilated area. You can go to my website. I've got a page with my favorite supplies. Click on the Amazon shop. Then go to my idea lists. And then you can choose glass resin art and find all of my favorite supplies, including what I use here with the torch and the gas. So I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye-bye.